All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we have this beautiful 2024 Acura Integra Type S. I mean, this thing is just gorgeous. It has the red leather interior, body kit, triple exhaust. I mean, just insane. It even has the upgraded premium audio system, but the client wants more bass. So we actually have it all apart here. Hondo's got it all broken down, and we're making a custom enclosure that fits in that cavity right there. All right, so this is, if you know anything about Acura, they love to use the ELS system. So this is the ELS Studio sub. So it's actually, you know, pretty decent size enclosure and a pretty decent size sub, but it is just, you know, paper, plastic, nothing fancy. I mean, this thing weighs nothing, right? So what we're gonna be putting in there is this beast. So we're actually putting a 12-inch Audio Mobile GTS in this vehicle. It's gonna fit behind the factory panel. That's why Hondo recessed the sub. So he recessed the sub in order to make sure that we have enough space between the panel and the box itself so that the box isn't beating up against the panel. So he's still gotta obviously sand it, finish it, carpet it, and then it'll go in there. And it's gonna bolt to 2 factory mounting points, so it'll be secured to the vehicle. He's got to clean all this up and whatnot, and then, like I said, prep it. Right now, he's going to deaden the entire cavity, so this way it doesn't rattle and cause all kinds of crazy noises. So this is Hondo's box, right? So it's painted all black, carpeted. He's about to load the woofer, put our PowerWorks connector on it, and load it in the vehicle. It's all deadened, and I can't wait to hear what this sounds like. I wanted to give you the final walkthrough on this gorgeous 2024 Acura Integra Type S. Check this thing out. I mean, they did an amazing job. Look at the body kit on this thing. And again, this is OE. Look at that grille, that amazing like diamond pattern kind of flying forward. And then it's got like a lip, side spoilers. Obviously it's lowered. It's got the wheels on it. Check out the bumper. Really aggressive rear bumper with the triple stack exhaust. I mean, just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. We'll show you the interior in a second, but even the interior, look at, even down to Acura embedded in the taillight itself, right? So the client wanted some more bass. Now this does have the ELS system, and we were able to get a 12-inch woofer, an Audio Mobile GTS behind the stock panel. So now this was what was in here originally, and now we have a 12-inch woofer in that same space. The amount of bass in this vehicle is absolutely ridiculous. Just wanted to show you the amplifier. So if you can see, we have a kicker key 501, And I mean, it fits by the hair of its chinny chin chin. If you can see, it literally fits right up to the factory floor mat. A lot of times we get asked why we use a particular brand. In this case, Kicker, other brands, they're like, well, why that brand? Why not something else? Well, in this particular case, this vehicle has two things. It has ANC, which is active noise canceling. We can defeat it differently. And then it also has bass roll off. So the nice thing about that Kicker Key 501 is it has the ability to correct for the bass roll off built in. So now we only need one amplifier, no additional interfaces, in order to fix the roll off as well as give us over 500 watts. I mean, that thing, for the size that it is, it's amazing. And we don't take up any space in the vehicle. We don't have a giant amp, a processor, or an interface. If somebody's looking for something, they want some more bass, but they want to keep it as OE looking as possible, this is what we tend to do. Take a look at that interior. It's got the two-tone leather with the suede, even the dashboard. I mean, so as you can see, it's got this has the ELS Studio 3D. So Acuras are known from even way back in the day for having the ELS systems. So that is like their version, or a version of, let's say, like Harman Kardon, Bose. That's their premium audio system. As far as the bass knob, the client wanted it mounted here. He did not want to make any holes in the vehicle, so this is why we mounted it here. The nice thing about doing it where we put the amp under the seat, the sub back there in the factory rear quarter, is that everything is reversible. So this is a brand new car, 2024, and he wants to be able to reverse it if he ever gets rid of it. But he also wants to be able to enjoy it while he has it. A lot of times people don't modify their brand new cars because they say it's a lease, they say it's brand new, they say all kinds of stuff. And it's like, well, but so you're not gonna enjoy the car that you paid for, you know, like you bought your dream car. Now it's your dream car, but it may not have the proper stereo. It may not have something that you want. Well, there is a way to add that without damaging or hurting the vehicle at all, so that you can truly enjoy that car. Let's say this car has this ELS system, 3D, all this great stuff, but it doesn't hit. It doesn't have that drama. It doesn't have that emotion. It doesn't have that impact. Well, we can do that. And we can do that in such a way that we can reverse it. We can literally unbolt everything, put everything right back to factory. You'd never know we were here. So don't cheat yourself. If you have a car and you want to enjoy it, just find a reputable shop that can reverse the process. Just make sure that everything that they do, they can reverse. And as always, even our connections are dressed. So if you look, there's our fuse holder right there. And sometimes, so in this particular case, we use the fuse holder. You know, we love breakers, but sometimes this is only an 8-gauge wire, which is all that Kicker amp requires. And also sometimes aesthetically, the fuse holder works better. We have these really, really small fuse holders. We use them a lot in exotics. We use them in sports cars. We use them in cars where we don't have a lot of space, but we still want to have protection, obviously, for our wire runs. So that's why sometimes you'll see us use the fuse holders, and sometimes you see us use the breakers. If we can use the breakers, they're our preference, but the fuse holders are nice because in a simple setup like this, the likelihood of that going bad, and especially because it's just the bass, there's no issue with it.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.